Hi guys, welcome back. I got an unboxing to do today. I got some new gear and I'm excited about that. I hope it's going to be worth the money. So, do you want to see it? Bring it on. So, here it is. It's massive. It's so huge. Let's unwrap it. Whoa. Let's do this. It's like Christmas. Woohoo! Okay. 2 boxes. Double boxes. Double fun. 3rd box? No. Okay, we got a lid. Something. Oh, this. Whoa! It's huge. 50-liter beer kettle. Klarstein. Look at that shine. Woo! You can see yourself in it. Nice. This is beautiful. Oh my god, this is huge. So this must be the mash tun. How did this work? Huh? Guidebook. This must come in there. Maybe I have to read something. A little bit. This is nice. Okay, pipes. It's a little bit warm here in Finland right now. We got about 31 degrees Celsius outside. Here's Fahrenheit. Okay, got some these. Lid. What else? That's it. Okay. Something's missing. Did I get everything? Yeah, box is empty. I didn't get any handlebar for it. No handlebar. Where's that? How about this for a handle? So I didn't get a handlebar. I'm using my old one from the 30 liters brew kettle. Maybe I should call Klarstein and ask about them. And then on my old kettle I used the bazooka. This one comes here. Okay. So this is the bottom piece. So this comes, no, like this, like this. This must be the handles that you pick this up after the mash. So this must come here, yeah. And then this goes here. Let's try this out. It fits perfectly. Powering on. Woo! Nice. Switch on power and press menu. Okay, nice power. Okay, so 3000 watts. Maybe I do 100 boiling. Yes. And timer minutes. Okay. And then press start. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Overall, a positive new thing that I got. Have to see after the first brew. I'm planning to do my mango beer again for my party that I'm having in September. So this little sucker is going to bring me 50 liters of beer. I'm gonna definitely try the memory step function. You can get 9 steps with this, so you can do a step mash. But overall, very nice experience so far. Minus, just by unboxing it, 2 minuses. I didn't get the handlebar that should have come with it, and then bazooka is small and you have to tighten it with the clamp, so this is useless. Yeah, that's it. I hope you liked my unboxing of the new Klarstein. It's Klarstein Kessel XXL 50 liters. So more beer for me and my friends, of course, that comes here. Cheers guys, see you again next time. Leave any comment below. If you have any question, just put them there and I'm going to answer them. And hit that like button, subscribe, and see you again next time. Cheers!